Alright.
Okay.
Alright, ready to go?
Bagpipes.
Hold on, not yet. Recording?
Yep.
Lads, we've come here today to avenge our defeat in Darnassus. They may have killed us with overwhelming power and strength, but we shall show them the might of Scotland and our wrath. We will head down to Ironforge, their supposed Scottish land, and we will take from them what they have given to us. We will show them the might of our... We will show them how fierce our orc will... I got nothing. I ran out of... Okay, you'll edit that part out.
No.
We shall also show them how blood elves are not just pretty. We will shove our staffs, our maces, our kundals up their ingles, fucking asses. Now, make ready. Mount your weapons of war. I feel the spirit of Scotland with us, lads. I hear her calling. Charge! I got stunned.
No, here you.
He's back! And he's about to get fucked up.
They may take our land, but they'll never take our money.
This guy's gotta be stupid.
God damn it, did they fuck up my... They fucked up my speech. Kill them all here. Kill them all here and show them what it means to fuck up
Don't
a
edit
speech.
this out, so please.
No, don't edit this out, no.
Alright, ready?
I want the Alliance to learn.
His name was fucking Colin.
He just
He
got
just
fucked
got
up.
fucked in the colon.
Alright, ready? That's a large
Alright,
echo.
lads, mount up again. Let us go to Ironforge and show those bloody dwarves who is who. For William Wallace.
The
For the
road.
Brave 13! For Haggis! For Scotland!
I fucking love you more.
Be proud! You may die in a little bit, but your soul will go to heaven when you can wear all the kilts you want, play all the bagpipes you like,
And shit
and
on the
shit
English.
over the English. Stay true! Stay strong!
Crew's a
Hey,
German, he
Scottish.
always stays fucking strong.
Yeah,
We shall
so
make William
German.
Wallace proud today.
Dark, you know how to get to Ironforge, right?
Oh wait, we have to pull over because I don't know how to get to Ironforge. Fly across the
I do.
fucking
No,
water.
Keep flying
It's
straight.
not that
Keep flying
hard.
straight towards that mountain.
Just
Fly
follow.
forward. Fly. Spread your wings, Scotland. Spread your wings. Spread your wings on your
And your
unicorn and fly. Flap your wings.
Can we make it without dying of fatigue?
I don't know, but
There we
I
go.
don't get water.
If we get
Alright,
to fatigue,
lads.
we can turn.
I need my battle music.
Play the other one.
Forward!
It's Irish music, but okay.
It's Scottish.
So, Irish uses bagpipes too?
There are bagpipes.
No,
I
no,
hope you
those.
didn't
I
fall.
don't think those are
Fucking Scottish, I
bagpipes.
mean,
Those
Fucking
are
Scottish
Ulian
only use the
pipes.
bagpipes.
Yeah, those are Ulian pipes, yeah.
At least it sounds like it.
What the
I
hell
mean,
was that?
Jesus Christ. This is the longest
Irish.
charge.
Wait, did you just get dismounted?
It's
Yeah.
facing.
Oh, okay. Well, I can't kick you off my back. You're a paladin. You have a cool mount anyway.
What?
You have a cool mount anyway.
Alright,
Yeah,
Phil,
yeah,
cut it here. We'll start again on the air.
Holy shit!
Ow, my ears.
That's how we end the video.
Make that the end of the video.